So I'm going to say a wee bit here. What I've noticed, viewers, is there's a lot of people on YouTube, the fake gurus, and the people that say to themselves that they're millionaires, but they're not. They're not millionaires, they're liars, they're complete fabricators. They use other people's money to get rich. They don't use their own hard work or efforts. They simply hustle their way through life by bullshitting you, the viewer, and telling you that they can make a load of money through property. Now, as far as I'm concerned, when it comes to becoming rich through property, you've simply got to buy the property yourself. Now, how do you do this? I've got so many videos, so many videos now telling you how to make money from nothing. Now, yes, it's easy, and people say, oh, it's easy because you're a millionaire, you don't need to do that. Well, I did, and I've done it so many times. I went from very poor, slums of London, to extremely rich by the time I was in my 30s, to extremely poor again by the time I was in my late 30s. That was an indicator of a fool and his money were easy parted. That will never happen again. Yes, I was a fool in my first millionaire time, not this time. And I've been investing every penny that I earn and I work hard for to grow my property portfolio. Now, was it easy? No, it was not. Did I know what I'm doing? Especially the ones that comment negatively, oh, you don't know what you're doing. Okay, do I know what I'm doing? Not all the time, but I keep going until I do know what I'm doing. And that's the difference between me and the keyboard warriors there. What I'm trying to give you is a piece of advice, albeit very boring. I'm a very boring individual. I'm not this Andrew Tate person. I'm not these absolute bullshitters like Tommy Smith, who tries to blag their way by using rental jet planes. I've never went and got a rental jet plane. I don't need a jet plane, and I certainly don't care what you think if I'm a millionaire or not. I am a multi-millionaire, and the good news is I've earned it myself through using other people's money initially and growing that money and repaying the money that I used to have. But as I've got richer, I don't need other people's money anymore. And that's what happens. You start making a lot more money than you need, and that's when you start investing into property. But I can tell you, and again, I'm sure you're bored out of your plates right now listening to my shite. The scenario is this, viewers, is that I may be boring, but that's what money making is. It's not exciting. It's bloody boring, and it's mundane, and it's hard work, and it's tears, and it's blood, and it's sweat, and it's tantrums, and it's anger, and it's elation. It's all in one. When it comes to making money, you're not going to get rich in a year. You're just not. You're not going to get rich in 3 years. You're just not. 5 years where you will start to see the results, and if you spend them results, you're never going to be a millionaire. You have to hold on. You have to keep going. You have to keep fighting for a long period of time. I've told you all, 10 years, 10 rules. That will set you for life. If you're in your 20s, you will make a fortune by following my rules. Yeah, it's boring. Nah, I don't want to watch this. Sorry for stopping the program, guys. Listen, 90% of you guys are watching this right now aren't subscribed to my channel. Please click the like button, subscribe, and follow for more. I don't want to watch this. He's not making me rich by watching him. You got to get up with your arse and get your own fucking work done. Don't listen to people like Tommy Smith, Andrew Tate, and blah, 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 blah. There's so many of them. There was one of them got done there recently. One of them is now being prosecuted for talking shite and telling you lies and selling you something that was not true. Good. All the fake gurus need arrested. Anyway, I'm going to come and show you this place, but we'll let the videos do it. Thank you.
Say thank you again.
Thank you.